Welcome back to Autoscope. Mitsubishi Motorhome 2026. External dimensions made to strike a balance between internal space and maneuverability. Aerodynamic design. Despite its size, the external shape will be designed with aerodynamics in mind to reduce wind noise and conserve fuel when driving. Panoramic windows. There will be big, dark private windows on the sides of the motorhome. Access door at the main entrance, which will be on the side. There might be an electric ladder. LED lighting. All external lighting, including adaptive headlights and taillights, uses LED technology. A 360-degree camera facilitates parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. An ergonomic design. A large infotainment screen. A digital instrument panel. A comfortable pilot seat. And simple controls are all hallmarks of the cockpit. Driving area. Living dining area. Cozy elevor. U-shaped sofa. Extendable table. A spacious sink. Refrigerator freezer. Tiny microwave. 2-burner induction cooktop. And ingenious grocery and kitchenware storage are among the kitchen's features. The main sleeping space is a fixed queen or king-size bed. Premium materials, lightweight plywood, and other premium materials with modern finishes are used. Smart TV screen that can be folded or retracted. A high-end audio system and spread speakers. Wi-Fi hotspot included. For the powertrain, a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle PHEV makes the most sense. It combines an effective gasoline engine, a large capacity battery, and a powerful electric motor. Fully electric EV. Although it would be more challenging to go long distances, Mitsubishi may provide an EV vehicle with a greater battery range. For optimal driving comfort, a suspension system that can adjust to loads and road conditions is called an adaptive suspension system. Riding mode. There are several riding modes: Eco, Normal, Off-road, and Snow to optimize performance based on the circumstances. Uses hill descent control and hill start assist to aid in maneuvering on steep slopes and drops.